Usually when a civilization is taken over by, say, another stronger tribe, what they do is they either destroy the previous civilization's work or they build over it. And this wasn't done like that. This was all, it was almost like they abandoned it in one day. Now what I believe happened is the stones that are around this area on the Puma Punku site, which is, I don't know, a couple miles from here, I'm not sure. But the stones are finished, half finished, and they're in squares. Now one thing we overlook as 21st century people is measurement. But we think, well, we'll just get a ruler and we'll measure it. Okay, that's fine. Did they use metric measurement 15,000 years ago? No, it was invented. Did they use cubics that were used in Egypt? Or hectares that were used in Greek? Nope. They weren't there. Did they use inches? No. But they must have used some measurement to build the edifices that they did build. And we have to ask why they made all these temples with no roofs and water spouts. And why the sunken temple right next door here was sunken. Why do that? Right here, this is an arena, I believe. It's got all these tenon heads in it. And these water spouts drop onto stone flagstones that go into drains here. So in order to figure out this mystery, we have to follow the water. Because what I believe is that this river here, we'll just say it went like this. This river was diverted to go into this large temple. I'm not sure, there's some name for it. The water went in there and filled it up to the height of the stone walls. And then when the water got too high, it would overflow into these drainage for some reason. Or if there were a lot of bodies in the water, they would raise the water level and the water would drain out. They needed fresh water for some reason. Also, it's been pointed out by a gentleman that I believe his name is Forrest. He said that there are a lot of, not canals, but there are a lot of waterways in the stone, and the inside stones are smooth. Why? If it was just water, why would they go to all that trouble? So if this was a stone grinding site, these stones would show grinding marks, which we could tell by high strength microscopes and such like that. Also, what I believe happened. Okay, this is what I'll tell you what I believe happened next.